One of the greatest advances that we have today in the world comes from neuroscience and psychology. I firmly believe this to be true. And it's that your actual thoughts and emotions create your life, that your thoughts and your feelings fire and wire your brain to start creating your life. And every time you have certain thoughts, certain emotions, you basically become your own pharmacy, in that you actually build your own biochemicals that control exactly how your physiology behaves and feels. That creates whether you're happy, whether you're sad, whether you're somebody who's prone to constant anxiety, whether you're in an overwhelming state of joy and excitement for being alive. All of this is determined from your thoughts and feelings, that they actually produce chemicals in your brain that control it all. So stop saying things that make you weak. Stop saying things that make you weak. You're strong, you are powerful, you are beautiful, you are one with God, you are worthy of everything that you desire, you are a divine being, and you have free will. And that free will gives you the ability to create your own reality with your thoughts, with your consciousness, with your emotions. Stop saying things that make you weak. Start saying things that make you strong, that make you prosperous. Start saying things that build you up. Start saying things that are powerful, that are strong, that are beautiful. Start saying God's wealth magnifies in my life. Stop saying things that make you financially weak. Start saying, I am happy, I am healthy, I am prosperous. Start saying, I am a happy, spiritual, international millionaire. Start saying, everything works out for my good. Start saying, I am a magnet to miracles. Start saying, I may not know how, but I'll figure it out. Start saying, today something great will happen to me. Start saying, I'm getting smarter and smarter. Start saying, I am a genius and I apply my wisdom. Stop saying things that make you weak. When you stop saying things that make you weak, you find out you're really a lot more powerful than you could have ever imagined. You find out life is really a lot more beautiful than you ever thought possible. You start to find out that you are worthy of what you want, that life is on your side, and that you do in fact live in a friendly universe. So comment down below, stop saying things that make you weak. Comment down below, stop saying things that make you weak. And start saying things that make you strong, that make you proud, that make you feel excited, that make you feel grateful, that make you feel loved, that make you feel, man, grateful to be alive. Start saying, I'm a genius. Start saying, I am strong. Start saying, everything works out perfectly for my own best good today. I just wanted to make this quick video today to remind you to stop saying things that make you weak. I wanted to remind you to take a deep breath in and out. One more nice and deep breath in and out. Very deep and very conscious. Take a nice, deep, aware breath in and out. Remember that your thoughts, your feelings, and your consciousness creates your reality. Remember that you have the choice to say things that make you strong. You have the choice to say things that make you feel loving and grateful. You have the choice to say things that build you up. Stop saying things that make you weak and start saying the things that you want to speak into existence. It all begins today in this moment. Today's the day to begin anew, to remember that you live in a friendly universe, that life is on your side, that you are a divine being. So comment down below, I am worthy of everything that I desire. Comment down below, I am a divine being. Today's gonna be an absolutely fantastic day. So make sure you hit the like button right over there. If you enjoyed this video, send it out into the YouTube universe so more people see it. You can subscribe and hit the bell notification as well. Bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. Even if you're already subscribed, just double check. Have you hit the bell notification? It's right over there on the side. Now say to yourself, today is going to be the best day ever. Right there down below is my free success hypnosis pinned to the comments. It's jakeshypnosis.com. Just listen to it for 2 or 3 minutes, and like that, you're gonna start to reprogram reprogram your subconscious for great things to head your way. Right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. Today's going to be a great, great, great day.